What happens when a retired airplane reaches the end of its flying career? Most aircraft are dismantled for scrap metal, but one creative couple had a completely different idea, turning an abandoned airplane into a stunning modern home. High on a rugged cliffside, overlooking a breathtaking landscape, sits an unusual house. At first glance, it looks like a giant aircraft frozen in time, but inside, it tells a story of innovation, design, and bold imagination. The journey began when the couple discovered an old decommissioned passenger plane. Instead of seeing scrap metal, they saw potential. The idea was ambitious: transform the aircraft into a livable, modern home without losing its aviation character. Transporting the massive aircraft was one of the biggest challenges. The plane had to be carefully dismantled into sections and moved to the cliffside location. Engineers and builders worked together to reconstruct it safely on the property. Once the aircraft was secured, the transformation began. The fuselage, once filled with passenger seats, was redesigned into an open living space. Large windows were added to capture stunning panoramic views. The cockpit became one of the most unique rooms in the house. Instead of pilots and flight instruments, it now serves as a futuristic lounge area. Many original controls and panels were preserved as design features. Inside the aircraft body, the narrow cabin was converted into a sleek hallway connecting multiple rooms. Modern lighting, wooden floors, and minimalist furniture create a perfect balance between industrial and cozy design. The wings were also incorporated into the architecture. One wing functions as a dramatic outdoor terrace, allowing residents to stand where passengers once sat above the clouds. It's a breathtaking viewing platform. The aircraft engines were repurposed as artistic elements in the landscape. Rather than removing them, the designers turned them into sculptures and outdoor seating areas. It's a clever way to preserve the aircraft's identity. Inside the tail section, the couple built a compact but stylish bedroom. Curved walls from the aircraft structure create a unique architectural feel rarely seen in traditional homes. Modern insulation, plumbing, and solar energy systems were installed to make the home comfortable and sustainable. Despite its unusual structure, the house functions like a modern, eco-friendly residence. What was once a machine designed to fly across continents has now become a symbol of creativity and sustainable architecture. It proves that even industrial objects can have a second life. From runway to cliffside home, this airplane has landed for good, and it may be one of the most incredible houses ever built.